Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add apps to CarPlay on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to add CarPlay any app, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to go to App Store and install the app which you want to add to your CarPlay. Here go to apps and select the app and tap on get, and you have to make sure that not all apps compatible for CarPlay settings. So after doing this, you have to open your phone settings and here go to general, go to software updates, and here you have to make sure that your system has been up to date. After doing this, you just have to go back, go to main settings. In main settings, just go to general again. Now you have to scroll down and look for CarPlay. Just select it, and here you can see it's loading has been happening. You just have to wait for it, and after it will happen, you just have to enable or customize CarPlay. So that's how you can add apps to CarPlay. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.